This is how we made our scallop wall. First, you need a lot of helpers. Next, you stagger 4x8 sheets of plywood on the wall. Next, use a table saw to rip the boards. Each scallop is going to be 11 inches by 5 inches. We got a piece of 1/4 inch thick plexiglass and made a template so that all of our scallops were consistent. You're going to use the bandsaw to cut off the corners of the boards. Then you use the belt sander to round off those boards. Start your first row 1/2 inch off of the floor. You're going to measure up 5.5 inches from the row that you just finished. Have a helper hold the level while you're installing the scallops with the brad nailer. This is a perfect opportunity for your kids to get involved in this project, if they haven't been helping already. Final step is to add 1 to 2 coats of semi-gloss paint and enjoy what you've created. We hope you enjoyed this video and it's helpful as much as we enjoyed making it. Don't forget, if you do, like it and share it with others.